Thanksgiving. Welcome back to the Hesitant Homesteader.
Today we're making just a super simple apple pie that you can use for the holidays. We're gonna start out by just peeling our apples. We're using a combination of both Fuji and Granny Smith so that we get both the sweetness and the tartness mixed together. Alright, all of our apples need to be cut about 1/4 of an inch thick. I'm gonna try to be pretty consistent in that so that they all cook evenly. Alright, into a separate bowl, we're gonna mix up a few ingredients. So in there we need 1/4 of a cup of flour, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Now we're making 2 pies here so that we're gonna eat one now and enjoy it so that we can show you the finished product. And then we're also going to make another one that we aren't going to bake yet. We're gonna pop that into the freezer so that on Thanksgiving, that's one less thing that we need to worry about.
So I'm gonna put half of the amount of mixture in each of these bowls with the apples.
And we'll just toss it all together. And it's gonna hang out and sit here, and some of the juices are gonna develop while we're making the crust. So I'm gonna grab just one of my bigger spoons. Just make sure that this all gets coated.
What will it taste like, Mom?
It's gonna taste like an apple pie. Do you like apple pie?
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
It's gonna be yummy. Should we make some whipped cream to put on it?
Yeah.
Or ice cream. Ooh, vanilla ice cream would be good.
I want
Daddy got stuff so that we can make whipped cream today too. Alright, so these are all mixed together. We're gonna just leave these set and they're gonna hang out, develop some of the juices while we are making our crust. One thing that I've learned through baking is that sometimes doubling the recipe doesn't go as planned. So I'm going to actually mix up the crust individually. I'm gonna make 2 separate batches of this just to make sure that the quantities are right and that everything comes together just how I want it to.
In the food processor, we're gonna just start out by putting in a few ingredients towards the crust. 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to start us out.
Okay, so that's all mixed together and now we just need to add in some cold butter. We need a whole cup of cold butter. Okay, you put them in there.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Good, that one's 4, 4.
5,
That one's 5, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Almost.
8.
Okay, now we're gonna mix that together. Just a little bit. Let go. Do them fast. Nope, fast. Like this. There you go. Okay, stop. Okay, now we just need some really cold water. Let me get it full. There, you want to put that one in?
Yeah.
Okay, and then maybe like a half of one. Okay, put that in.
At all.
Starting to make a.
Is it dough yet, Mom?
Okay, go again. That looks about right. All right. More water than we thought.
What's
Yeah, look at that.
Ooh,
It's dough.
Nice.
It's dough. All right, we're gonna take this out so we can make one of our crusts.
It's so.
Go ahead.
So we're gonna cut the dough in half so we can have some for the top and some for the bottom of the pie. Now we're just gonna make some lattice to put around the top.
Okay, we're gonna just brush the top with a little bit of milk so that our sugar will stick to the top. We're gonna just put a sprinkling of sugar.
That'll make the sugar stick.
All right.
Good job.
Okay, I think our pie is ready to go in the oven. What do you think?
Yeah.
Should we put it in?
Making whipped cream is super easy. Even I didn't do it.
Okay, do we approve?
Really
Nope.
good.
Haven't
The
tried.
crust is flaky. The whipped cream isn't too sweet. So good.
Yeah.
Dude, you should have made it sweeter.
More sugar.
Is this my water?
Oh man. Makes me excited for
I would
Thanksgiving.
say it's probably the best part of it.
Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays. Because of all the delicious foods.
Yeah.